In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Airbnb discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Airbnb discount codes. Right here, go to this very first website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes and promotions that we can use. So for example, if you want to use this one to save 30% discount, all you need to do is simply tap on this promotion, and this is the promo code right here. You can copy this promo code and you can use this one to get that 30% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, scroll down a little bit and you'll find this website, which is called retailminute.com. And right here we also have some promo codes, as you can see. And for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount of select orders, all you need to do is simply tap on this promotion right here. And as you can see, this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code and apply it to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.